Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today let's see our unboxing video of craft items, and I have brought it from Dmart. So let's open the cover here. See how many things I have brought. Yeah, I think you can see it. See. So these are all the things I have brought from Dmart. And the first one is a scissor for cutting like circles with the paper. It was 35 rupees. It was very useful. And see the uses of this. Here are the like beauty scissors. We can also use like beauty scissors. So these are the origami papers. All colors are there. 50 papers will come. And it was 50 rupees at normal stationery, but in Dmart it was only 25 rupees. See here, there are so many papers, like 50 papers with all colors. It was purple, orange, blue, yellow, red, green, pink, all are there. See this. Okay, let me keep it. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll keep it. Yeah, done. So let's see another one. These are sharpeners and erasers. It was the sharpeners are 25 rupees. See, there is a rate. It was Apsara. So the sharpeners are 25 rupees. And see, and the erasers are 15 rupees. These are non-dust erasers by Apsara. Let's see another one. So another one is cutter, and it was 18 blade cutter and 30 rupees. It was very sharp, and there are so many uses of it. And quality, it was only 30 rupees. Like we can extend blade, lock the blade, remove the snapper by we can renew the cutting by edge. So here they have given some cautions. So let's see another one. Yeah, these are the pencils. Platinum Extra Dark Pencils by Apsara. And only 50 rupees. 10 pencils, one long sharpener, and one grip eraser. See here, I am. These are the pencils, and another side they have gave sharpeners and erasers. See this. I'll show you 1 minute. Yeah. See, an eraser and a sharpener. This was the sharpener. This was the extra grip eraser and long lasting. So the pencils, these are 10 pencils, and these are this is the like a file for keeping A4 sheets, color papers like that. So it was 15 rupees or only 14 rupees, and very superb. This is the Ippy noodles, and here they have gave some fun crafts, and this was 58 rupees. four rupee cakes are there. So let me open it. And they have given some wonderful crafts like mobile stand or photo frame like that. And I have get a photo frame. See this? It was very superb and I like it very much. See, make your own photo frame. Like this, they have gave some instructions also. Yeah, and to see this and now I will show you how to make it. Also, how to make the own photo frame. First, these are the instructions: cut and fold. And here the cut along the edges, fold the dotted lines away to the purple color frame. Staple or use adhesive tape or double-sided tape in the dotted area and stick. This photo frame. Your photo frame is ready. Yeah. So let's make it. And the first thing we have to do is to cut all the edges. Say, let me cut it. It is very hard to cut, but I have got to see it. And yeah, I'm done with it. So now we have to fold it like this. Fold the dotted lines. They have told us in the instruction, and I'm folding all the dotted lines. See, we have to fold it back also. I have folded all. And now we have to staple glue here. And the glue, I thought that to cut it, but we should not cut. Don't cut it. I forgot and cut it. Please don't cut it. And I have pasted it with plaster. And now staple some glue there and paste it like this. See where we have to paste it. See friends, fold it like this. And you can add the gum double-sided tape also for pasting it. I'm using gum. You can also use double-sided tape. See this? I'm using only gum for all that. Yeah, my photo frame is ready. And now I'm keeping a small picture, a small one which I have made by myself. I have pasted it. Yeah, done. And now I'll show you the back clips which we can use in kitchen or by craft items. Like, let me show you it. Oh no, it wasn't coming yet. Okay, let me do it. It is not coming. Yeah, finally I done it. I did it. Yeah. Now I'm opening all the clips to review for reviewing it. See here we can use all these clips for keeping like for bags. I will show you how to keep them. And I am keeping this for Yippee noodles like this. See this. Yeah, done. See, and These are the clips to look not should not enter like insects with that. Okay, bye friends. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye guys.